Second Corinthians chapter 12, verse 5 to 6, doing my 683rd King James Version Bible read, and still have some Koine Greek words. Today, it's going to be a lot of words, Koine Greek words, but not all of them. Those words that are necessary for our reading to understand it better. All right. So let me just read verse 5 first. Second Corinthians chapter 12. Of such an one will I glory, yet of myself I will not glory, but in mine infirmities. Verse 6. For though I would desire to glory, I shall not be a fool, for I will say the truth, but now I forbear, lest any man should think of me above that which he seeth me to be. Let me just read it back. Lest any man should think of me above that which he seeth me to be, or that he heareth of me. So verse 6 and so verse 5 as well is kind of a poetic way to to say these words or this sentence, but somehow it's kind of making sense a little bit. But let's go deeper. So let's talk about verse 5 first. Verse 5. What day today? August 12. Alright. So the first word is kaukesumai from verse 5. Kaukesumai in KJV will I glory. Lexical meaning I will boast, I will glory, or I will take pride in. But kaukesumai has been written or has been used twice here. So the second time that this word kaukesumai has been used, uh, it's a way to show contrast. Why? Because before the second word kaukesomai has been used by Apostle Paul, there's a word that comes before it. U. O-U, or in pronunciation, U, double O. So if you're going to use that if you're going to put that in a sentence, U kaukesomai. U kaukesomai, which means in KJV, U means not, and then kaukesumai will I glory. Now, in lexical meaning, this is how it looks like or sounds like. Not I will boast, not I will glory, or not I will take pride in. Or, if we're going to reconstruct a sentence or in a sentence, I will not boast, I will not take pride in, or I will not glory. All right. And the next word, this is the fourth word from verse 5. Astenaiais. KJV, infirmities, lexical meaning weakness, frailties, or infirmities. Frailties like fragile, easy to be broken. All right. Now, the more literal rendering, if we gather all the Koine Greek words, translate it into the actual English words or English meaning, sounds like this. Modern literal rendering. Concerning such a one, I will boast, but concerning myself, I will not boast, except my weaknesses. Now, if we're going to render it in today's time, I will glory in what happened to such a person, but I will not boast about myself except my weaknesses. Now, in Paul's perspective, or Paul essentially saying, regarding such a person, I will glory, but regarding myself, I will not glory, except in my weaknesses. If you could recall in verse 234 yesterday, he's talking about himself as a third person because he doesn't want himself to be put on higher pedestal or be exalted. What he's saying yesterday from verses 234 is the experience that is much important. What God brought this person, he's talking about himself, to the third heaven, and showed him things in that place. And there's a lot of words that he heard that he couldn't speak of, where he's not permitted to speak about. He's talking about that experience, not about he's been exalted to the third heaven. All right, now verse 5 and 6 is showing his humility as well. So specifically verse 5. Now let's go ahead and talk about verse 6. Verse 6, first word, kaukesastai. Kaukesastai. But if you can recall earlier, kaukesomai. Kaukesomai. So every time you've heard the word kauke in Koine Greek, usually it refers or it means boasting, glorifying, or taking in pride of something. Now this one, kaukesastai, KJV, to glory, lexical meaning to boast or to glory. However, the next word, esomai. So if you can see here, kaukesomai earlier, right? I will glory. Now, kaukesastai, to glory, to boast, to take pride in. However, esomai. In KJV, I shall be, lexical meaning I will be or I shall be. So if you add 1 plus 1 equals 2, you'll be able to figure this one out. Kaukesumay, kaukesastay, esumay, kaukesomai. So two words combined, meaning, and we came up with I will boast, I will glory, or I will take pride in. So kauke sastai, to glory, to boast, to take pride in. Esomai, I shall be, or I will be, or I shall be. All right, the third word is afron. Afron. I believe we discussed this probably last week, or we've already discussed this word, afron, and it's talking about being foolish. So in KJV, it's a fool, lexical meaning foolish, senseless, or without understanding. Affront. Now the next word is alethean. I'm getting used to pronounce the pronunciation of Koine Greek words. KJV, the truth, lexical meaning truth. Next word, pheidomai, pheidomai. KJV, I forbear. The reason why I really want to add this, I forbear, for us to be able to really grasp the meaning, because it's kind of deep. It's a word that is not being used regularly on modern English or modern sentences. So I forbear in KJV, lexical meaning I speak. Oh, sorry, I spare, I refrain, or I hold back. I hold back. I'll be using I refrain and I'll hold back on the modern translation, modern literal rendering. Sorry, more literal rendering and then modern rendering later on. So again, Fedomai, I forbear in KJV, lexical meaning I spare, I refrain, or I hold back. Now, logi setai. KJV should think, lexical meaning may reckon, may consider, may account, or may think. So may reckon, may consider, may account, or may think. Now the next word is blepe, blepe, ble, 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 blepe. KJV, he seeth or he seeth. Lexical meaning he sees. So see, SEETH, seeth or seeth. Lexical meaning he sees or he observes. He observes. Now the next word is akue. KJV, he heareth, hear, and then followed by ETH, he heareth. Lexical meaning he hears or hear about. He hear about. All right, now I've left out a lot of Koine Greek words in verse 2, but those Koine Greek words in verse 2 that we left out is just basic words, and the KJV got it correctly or almost 99% accurately. All right. So we're now going to proceed to more literal rendering for verse 6. For I should desire to boast, I would not be foolish. Sorry, for if I should desire to boast, I would not be foolish, for I would speak the truth. But I refrain, lest anyone should regard me beyond, more than, or beyond what he sees in me or hears from me. So if you can see here on the more literal rendering, meaning Koine Greek word translated into English, we could understand it that Apostle Paul is lowering or humbling himself down. Now, modern rendering. Even if I wanted to boast, I would not be speaking foolishly because I would be telling the truth. I would not lie. I will not be speaking foolishly. I will not be lying because I would be telling the truth. But I hold back. I refrain so that no one will think so that no one will think more highly of me than what he can actually see in me or in my life, see in my life, or hear from me. So Apostle Paul doesn't want him to be exalted, but the experience to be exalted. And God is the one who brought him on the third heaven, verse 2, 3, 4 yesterday. It's not him. And he is not going to share information that God didn't allow him to share. All right. Now, Paul could boast. He could boast. What he experienced is actually happened to him. Had happened to him. So he could boast about it. But he chose not to. Because instead of uh, boasting about the experience or boasting talking about himself, he chose to talk about it as a third person. So emphasizing the experience and what had happened instead of him experiencing it. All right. So Apostle Paul could boast his heavenly revelation because it really happened, but he refuses to make that revelation a means of elevating himself. Apostle Paul humbles himself down. He chose humility over pride, ego, and self centeredness. And verse 7 and 8 tomorrow will show us why. All right. So it's already 12 minutes. That's our Bible reading for today, but we're less than 50 minutes. So let me just read it back. And then the actual KJV verses, verse 5 and 2. Verse 5 and 6. And then just go back, rewind, check the actual more literal rendering and then modern rendering. So verse 5 of KJV. Of such an one will I glory, yet of myself I will not glory, but in mine infirmities. I would rather, if I'm going to boast or glorify myself, I will glorify myself in my weaknesses, through my weaknesses, or using my weaknesses. Verse 6. For though I would desire to glory, I shall not be a fool, for I will say the truth, but now I forbear. I refrain, I hold back, lest any man should think of me above or beyond or more than that which he seeth me to be, or that he heareth of me. So that's verse 5 and 6 of Second Corinthians chapter 12. All right. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I'll be seeing you tomorrow anyway. So God bless you. Keep safe. Bye for now.